Hello everyone, myself Jasmine Ahmed, your educator for class 9 and class 10 Information Technology for the code 402. So today I am here with another session for class 10. In this session I will discuss starting with LibreOffice base. Already we have in the last class I have discussed multiple choice question, then true or false, fill in the blanks. So today I will discuss the question answer. So the first question, differentiate between memo and varchar data type. So we all know both are text data type, right? So but there are slight difference between both the data type. So what are the difference? Memo data type stores maximum length indicated by the user. Whatever indication is given by the user, it will store that much only. Okay, it is used to store some descriptive data also. So in descriptive, this is the major difference. Descriptive data can also be stored in memo data type, so having more than 255 character. Memo data type allows to store text data up to how much? 64,000 character. But what happens in varchar? It stores up to the specified length. Whatever length you have specified, it stores only that much area. The number of byte allocated, what is byte? One byte equals to how many bit? 8 bit, right? So the number of byte allocated depends on the number of character entered by the user. Whatever character you have entered, so it depends, that byte depends upon those characters only. For example, the address is defined as varchar 50. Varchar 50 is defined. Okay, 50 is the length. Okay, and if the address entered by the user is of only 20 character, you have entered 50, but you have written that the maximum can be 50, but the address that is entered by the user is 20 character, then only 20 byte will be occupied in the database. That means varchar depends upon byte. It is defined in bytes. Okay, 20 character, 20 byte. Okay, so this is the major difference between both varchar and memo. Okay, then the next question is, what is the difference between number and decimal data type? So number and decimal. So in number data type, what happened? It is used to store integer of any length. Any length integer can be stored, and it is depicted as like this: 300, 789. But in decimal data type, what happens? It store decimal value of also any length, but the major difference is here we can enter decimal value, but in number we cannot enter any decimal value. In decimal data type we can enter decimal value. For example, 18.98, 897.55. Okay, next difference is design view and data sheet view of table. So what is design view? Design view of table, this view is used to design the structure of the table. You are defining the field, you are defining the attributes. Okay, you are defining the name of the attributes. So overall structure of the table is defined you in the design view of table. But in data sheet view, what happened? It is used to enter the values. It is used to enter the values. For example, let me take one example. So in design view, what happens? You will define this structure. You will define how many column is needed, how many row. Row is defined automatically. So how many column basically? For example, in this particular table, I need only three field. I need only three field. If you want to add more field afterward, you can add more field also in this design view. But in data sheet view, what happen? You will enter the data. You will enter the data in particular row, in this particular row. So this is the major difference between design view and datasheet view. Name the menu item present on the base user interface. So how many menus are there? One, file menu, edit menu, view menu, insert, tool, window, help. These are the menu. These are the menu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many menu are there? There are 7 menu items: file, edit, view, insert, tool, window, help. Okay. How can we define a primary key in a table? How can we define primary key? Or simply a key is a field that uniquely identifies a row in a table. Okay, so the key identifier can be the value of a single column or of a multiple column. So you can enter the key identifier in the single column also, more than one column also. Okay. Write the step to sort the table in descending order of primary key. According to the primary key, you will have to sort that particular table in descending order. So first one is open the table in datasheet view. In datasheet view, we will have to open that particular table and select the primary key on which you want to sort. After that, what happen? You will have to select the primary key. One key icon will appear. Already you have discussed in our last class. One key icon will appear once we have set primary key sorry, in our column. Then from the toolbar, click sort descending icon to sort in descending order of selected field. Then on the toolbar, what happen? You will click on descending icon. Okay, short descending icon, so that your entire field will be sorted in descending order. Okay, what is the use of navigation box with respect to table in a database? Once you have created a table, the navigation box appears. Okay, it is present at the bottom of the datasheet window. It is present where? At this area, at the bottom of that window. It is used to navigate through various record. From one record to another you can move. So what are the components available in the navigation box? The first component is record selector box, and the second one is navigation button. What is record selector? Which record you want to select? Record number 1, record number 2, 3, 4, 5. In numeric value it will be given. This is the text box where the currently active record number is displayed. Already I have told the numeric value. Number is displayed. We may enter the record number that we want to see. For example, in this table, from this table, you want to view the first record. You want to view this record. So what you will have to do, you will have to type 1 in that particular record. If you want to move to second record, then type 2. Okay. Navigation button. These are used to scroll vertically in the table. Okay, you will have to it is used to scroll vertically. So these are some notes. What is data type, currency data type, date data type, boolean, then binary, creating, how can we create a database, can we create a table, various component of the base user interface, that all the menu bar are discussed here, all the menus are discussed here. Okay, not only menu, all the interface features are discussed here, the various component of navigation box. Okay, so these are some notes. Data in a table can be arranged in ascending or descending order. These are this process of arranging the record in particular order is called sorting. Already you have discussed how you can sort. So if you will study all this material, all the question answer and extra information in this note area, then it will be sufficient for your board exam. Okay, students, so I hope this class will be beneficial for you, and you will be able to gather more information from this note area also. So I will bring more such video for you also, that you can get more marks. So my motive is that to help you all in this short period of time. Okay, so thank you everyone. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also don't forget to comment. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.